Hi, welcome to Version V Studio. I provide commission for illustration on Fiverr and Upwork. You can also buy this artwork on Patreon. Links are in the description below. Hi, my name is V, welcome to today's story. We will discuss about the principal elements to make 2D animation footage. First, we need a frame. A frame is a static image. When combining many frames together, we will have an animated video. Second thing is frame rate. Frame rate is the quantity of frame each second, we can also call it FPS, frame per second. This is an example for 2 frames per second, the frames move very fast. This is 4 frames per second, everything is smoother now. This is 6 frames per second, it looked better than previous rate. This is 8 frames per second. This is 12 frames per second. This is at 24 FPS, the highest standard of the industry. Now, let's try a more visualized footage. To keep the footage smooth and consistent, we should mark the shading area of the main object, then we can track it on the following frames. We should do shading follow the lines that we make for guiding before. We should also separate the light and dark section. From the second frame, we can decrease the opacity of the previous and draw overlay on it to track the movement of the object. Also, don't forget to track the shading guidelines. After line art and the guidelines to mark the shading area, we can start to do color underlay the sketch layer. Please note that we have to keep the color consistency. If the color of the following frame is different from the previous frame, the footage will look weird. The third thing we have to pay attention to the source of light. We should notice where the light goes so we can draw the shading area exactly. We can apply the same method for the other frame. After having enough frame, we can allocate them into the timeline position. We can decide the frame rate by allocate the suitable quantity and position to make the footage. This is a footage with 4 frames per second. This is a footage with 6 frames per second. You can combine 2 method or more method to make an animated footage. In this example, we use rotation and transformation. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon in the next episode.